Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to design this animated search bar. So let's get started. First I am going to take a frame tool. So press F. I want this frame to be width 800 and height 500 and to place an image here. So let's bring the image. Here is my image. I want to darken this image just like that. Now I want to take a rectangle, so press R and draw a rectangle. I want this rectangle width 400 and height 60 and its corner 50% rounded. Let's zoom this screen. I want this rectangle to be centered vertically and horizontally. Let's get the type tool, press T. Let's type search. You can see its font family Poppins, font weight regular and font size 16 pixel. I am going to down this opacity 50%. Now I am going to open plugins, Font Awesome. I am going to get this search icon. Close this plugin. I am going to place this icon right here. And I want to resize this icon, so I want its width 24 pixel and a height 24 pixel. Now place this icon and also down this opacity 50%. Let's zoom out this frame. You can see this icon is not under my frame, so let's bring this icon under frame. Now group all of them. Press Ctrl G. And to copy this frame, so hold Alt and drag this frame. And in this frame, I want this search bar width 450 pixels. So hold Alt and drag this. Okay, 452. Now again copy this frame, so hold Alt and drag this frame. In this frame I want a blinking cursor, so I want to draw a line, so press L and draw a line. Hold Shift, then this line will be straight. I want its height 20 pixel and also center. I am going to put this line under the group. Just press this line exact where our text start. In this frame I want to hide my text, so pass through 0. And again copy this frame, hold Alt and drag. And in this frame I want to hide my line, same way, just pass through opacity 0. And I want to show my text field. And here I want to type a name. Let's type John Doe. And also center this name. And I want its opacity back to the 100%. Let's prototype this. Select the frame and go to the prototype. One click, Smart Animate 300 milliseconds. Select the second frame and drag and left. One click, Smart Animate 300 milliseconds. Here it's going to be key and press J. And the last one is going to the first one. One click, Smart Animate 300 milliseconds. So let's play. So let's test this out. Click again, press J and click. If you are interested in how to code this design, I added a link in the description below.